I'm trying this new method for you guys using Screenomatic.com app, which is a free app. And so this message really is for all the students that skipped the final project presentation for ACE. And what I want you guys to do is, let me see here. This is the slide presentations here. Okay. What I want you guys to do is present the final presentation just like Matthias and Giselle and Khadija and Alex and Gabby did on a couple weeks ago. So that way you'll get your half credit, and some of you need that half credit for graduation, and all of you know exactly what the project is about, so this shouldn't take you more than 20 minutes to put together. Um, I'll send the slide lecture in a separate link, and all I want you guys to do is basically go through it. I want you guys to go through it and think of it as a job interview. So you're going to introduce yourself, you're going to introduce Team 51, and you're going to describe the project. Again, you'll have the project description in a separate file that I'll share with you as well. So you want to talk about site plan and location of the building and the total square footage. You want to talk about what a massing study is. Imagine that people in your slide lecture that will be viewing your slide lecture will actually not know what a massing study is. So you should Google this and write it down on a separate sheet of paper and explain as you're flipping through slides. You want to describe everything that you see here in a slide. Then you want to jump to floor plans and you talk about layout. And you want to describe what the central part here is, right? And you also want to describe why you're laying out the spaces the way you did. So why is the trash room far away from the residential lounge? Why is the bike storage here, and why is the mailroom here? Going through other slides. Here we have amenities for the cellar. So again, you want to talk about the core and the layout of each amenity relative to the core. Also, if you're using the word like building core, you want to explain what that really is and why you have to consider the core as you create a skyscraper. Going to co-housing. What is co-housing? Not many people understand what that is. What kind of a concept is it? And why do you think your designs as a future architect will sell? Why do you think co-housing will sell? If you're investing $100 million into this skyscraper, right? Is this a good investment? The hope is that it is a good investment. So you should sell that idea to your prospective client. This is Alex's part, so that's his design. So well, it's everyone's design, but that's his slide. So you want to talk about which software you used and why you designed it the way you did. Jumping these two slides, you want to talk about your design approach. Let me see here if I can increase the size. You want to talk about the design approach. Let me see if I can extend that. I can't. Okay. So design approach, you want your building to blend in visually with buildings in a neighborhood. So you want to talk about why that is important, why it is consistent visually. Let's see. We have structural approach. You want to define what structural engineers do, and you want to explain your approach. Who are mechanical engineers? That is important to know. It's important to explain. Mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. Okay. So you want to describe mechanical, electrical, and planning and what those approaches are. Let me see if I can move the slides. Flipping through slides, plumbing. Okay, civil and sustainability design and engineering. What does that mean? What is sustainability? What is civil engineering? What does LED lighting mean? Why is it important? What is a blue roof? You might have to Google it. It is different than the green roof. Why did you choose to put bicycle racks on a sidewalk and some in storage? What is high performance energy efficient facade? That's important to know. Not everybody knows this, but it is important to know. You know that the planet is quickly warming up, and you are addressing the global warming by choosing these items, but you have to explain why you chose those items and how they help planet. And finally, you want to talk about money. Let's see here. So you have the square footage, 200,000. You have the cost, about 500 per square foot. So that's about $1 million. Construction duration, 36 months. That's 3 years, right? So major contributors to the cost include the following trades, and you want to explain why. At the end of your slide lecture, you want to say, okay, does anyone have any questions? And then say thank you. That's it. This shouldn't take you more than 20 minutes. I would highly advise you to practice the night before and read this whole slide lecture in front of your parents or guardians or siblings, or in front of a mirror. It's an easy half credit. And if you have any questions, call me 617-905-9460 and or email me, okay? Please get this done by June 15th, and I'll send you all the links, okay? Good luck to you all. I know you're going to do great, and I hope to see these slide presentations soon. Thanks.